Welcome. Today we will discuss some key symptoms of bladder weakness and also talk about 6 excellent natural remedies that can help significantly in treating bladder weakness and overactive bladder. Symptoms of overactive bladder. If you feel the need to urinate multiple times a day, sometimes so urgently that you accidentally release urine, or if you find yourself waking up frequently at night to urinate, you might have the issue of an overactive bladder. The bladder is the organ in our body that stores urine filtered by the kidneys. Normally, when the bladder becomes full, it sends a message to your brain signaling that it's time to urinate. When you urinate, your brain opens the valve through which the urine passes and exits the body. However, sometimes these signals are not transmitted accurately, leading to bladder weakness or an overactive bladder. Causes of overactive bladder. The causes of overactive bladder in men can include an enlarged prostate, while bacterial infection in the urinary tract can affect both men and women. Additionally, women may experience urinary issues due to a prolapsed bladder. However, the most common cause for this condition in both men and women is high levels of sugar or insulin in the blood. Other causes could include neurological problems. Regardless of the cause, there are natural methods to address overactive bladder problems effectively. These remedies can significantly improve the condition as they reduce the need to wake up frequently at night to urinate. After understanding the causes and symptoms, let's explore the 6 powerful natural remedies for treating an overactive bladder. Number 1. Varuna Bark. The first remedy is a herb called Varuna Bark, also known as Barun Chal in Hindi. It has been used for thousands of years to treat bladder, kidney, and other urinary problems. You can take 1 to 3 grams of Varuna bark daily for this issue. It is not only very affordable but also highly effective and natural. Varuna bark prevents the formation of kidney stones, and its antimicrobial properties help eliminate bacteria that causes infection. If you experience burning during urination, try using this remedy with water for noticeable benefits. Varuna bark reduces inflammation in the bladder and improves bladder tone. In Ayurveda, capsules and tablets made from this herb are also widely used. Number 2. Vitamin B1. The second remedy for an overactive bladder that can be utilized is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 or benfotiamine helps improve the nervous system, which in turn aids in enhancing bladder condition. The bladder muscles and valves controlled by our nervous system can function better when provided with sufficient vitamin B1 through food or supplements. Vitamin B1 strengthens the nerves and enhancing nerve transmission between the brain and the bladder. Many people with this condition have discovered that they lack vitamin B1 potentially due to excessive consumption of refined carbohydrates or sugar. Benfotiamine, a fat-soluble form of vitamin B1, can be taken at a dosage of 600 mg daily as a supplement to regulate bladder function. Additionally, it is essential to consume water-soluble vitamin B1 found in nutritional yeast, sunflower seeds, and eggs. Regular consumption of these foods can help improve an overactive bladder symptoms. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. For a natural remedy for an overactive bladder, the third recommendation is to use pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are highly beneficial for the condition due to compounds within them, such as phytosterols, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients protect and strengthen the muscles surrounding the bladder. According to some studies, consuming a handful of pumpkin seeds daily help women post-pregnancy regain control of their bladder. In individuals over 50 years old, pumpkin seeds has been observed to reduce frequent nighttime urination. For men, one main cause of an overactive bladder is prostate enlargement, which can be mitigated by pumpkin seeds intake. Consuming a handful of pumpkin seeds or 2000 mg of pumpkin seeds oil capsules daily for 1 to 3 weeks results in positive changes in bladder control. Number 4. Drink more water. The fourth recommendation for managing an overactive bladder is to drink more water daily. For this condition, the bladder contents may not be entirely emptied, especially if the bladder muscles are weak or irritated, causing nighttime waking for urination. Drinking enough water, at least 2.5 liters per day, help dilute urine. Avoid consuming any liquid after 7 p.m. to prevent frequent nighttime awakenings. Diluted urine reduces bladder irritation, thereby improving bladder muscles for better urine storage and release. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar. The fifth remedy for an overactive bladder that you can use is apple cider vinegar. As previously mentioned, one of the major reasons for this problem is high blood sugar or insulin levels. Overactive bladder is more commonly seen in people who are overweight, diabetic, or have high blood pressure. When blood sugar or glucose levels are high, the kidney needs to remove them, resulting in frequent urination, even if only a small amount of comes out. One recommended method is to drink a glass of water mixed with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar before a meal. Consuming this helps reduce insulin resistance. When insulin works efficiently, cells utilize glucose from the blood, thereby reducing pressure on the kidneys and bladder. Many people notice improvements in their bladder control after just 1 to 2 weeks of using apple cider vinegar, and their overall condition also improves. Number 6. Lifestyle changes. Finally, you need to optimize your lifestyle. Focus on eating a low-carb diet such as the ketogenic diet, which can help improve your overactive bladder. Consuming less than 30 grams of carbohydrates daily can improve blood sugar levels and reduce pressure on the kidneys and bladder within 2 to 3 months. Eating excessive sugar or carbohydrates also harms your nerves, causing a lack of bladder control. To completely address the problem, you need to fix your diet. Follow the remedies mentioned here while ensuring your meals are nutritious and contain high levels of potassium and magnesium, which help maintain fluid balance. Eat foods like pumpkin, Brussels sprouts, avocado, leafy green vegetables, and sunflower seeds. Avoid alcohol as it irritates the bladder. Instead, drink plenty of water throughout the day, reducing fluid intake after 7 p.m. First, incorporate vitamin B1 from food and supplements. Second, drink herbs like Vuna Bark to prevent infection and kidney stone. Third, drink apple cider vinegar mixed with water to restore proper insulin resistance. Eat pumpkin seeds, which are rich in vitamins and minerals. Ensure you drink 2.5 liters of water before 7 p.m. Reduce sugar intake in your diet and follow the ketogenic diet to improve your condition. Alright, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.